teachers. Today, unexpectedly, one program is ordered. A team came to our college asking for a chance to give you training. Trainings in the sense they want to give you a training towards spoken English. Actually, I have no idea about them. Voluntarily they gave, they asked a chance. I requested them to take 1 hour class. The name of demonstration. We will watch their demonstration. If they impressed you through this 1 hour demonstration, we will decide whether we will use their service to our teacher community. With that intention, I asked them to come. They introduce themselves and they will start the class. The class will not be in one way. The class will have interaction. So we will watch. Finally, we will express our feedback about their training. Then we will decide whether we need their service for the days to come. Okay, please come.
Happy morning everyone here. First and foremost, thank you for the introduction because this is the best introduction I've ever came across. I'm myself Hariharan from English Academy. As sir said, I don't want it to be a kind of a lecture, a guest lecture. I want to interact with you all. If I'm going fast, please do let me know because I want you to understand what I speak. Are you clear? Is it okay? Whenever I go fast, please do stop me there. So most importantly, what I'm teaching you today, it should be remembered forever. Clear? First and foremost, is English an important language? Is English important for everyone?
Yes.
Why? Anyone can please stand up and please tell me so that everyone can listen.
One who make enrich themselves.
One
who make enrich themselves.
Okay, they can enrich themselves. Their quality. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's universal. When you want to get connected with the people of other state or nation, it is compulsory. Okay, thank you. Sorry. May I know what's your name? So the first one.
Kumar.
Okay. A round of applause for Mr. Shivakumar and Mr. Alex. Thank you. Then, from women's side.
It's the official language.
Okay. It's an official language. May I know your name, please?
That would be Uma Madheshwari.
Okay. Give a round of applause. Apart from this, it's an official language, it's an universal language. When you want to get yourself improved, then English is important. Apart from this,
English rule the world.
okay, English, it's ruling the world, complete world. Yes, true. 90% of data about education or research, everything is in English. Basically, English is important because to show the standard of ourselves, English is very important. When you learn English, not only you learn and speak English, automatically your attitude changes. Your lifestyle changes. Right? Okay. Now tell me, how many of you would like to speak English? All this. Yeah, I love to speak English. How many agree with me? How many actually speak from the second you step inside the college campus till the last second you step out of the college campus? I speak 100% in English. Anyone?
No.
Now the reasons. Why?
The environment is like that.
Regional language is dominating.
Okay, regional languages dominating. There are 3 different reasons which I hear generally because I might have come across not less than 50,000 teaching professionals in Tamil Nadu, exclusively in the southern part of Tamil Nadu. I have come across 50,000 teaching professionals. 3 common reasons they say. Number 1, Students, they don't understand.
It is a rural-based college.
Exactly. Fact, I agree. That's what. Students, they don't understand. Students who step inside the college, in plenty of colleges, my English department staff members, they used to say me, we teach ABCD in the first year of my classroom. The first class I used to start with ABC. Children, they're not aware of it. Number one reason. Number two, when we teach in English, students, they come with a request, ma'am or sir, please teach in Tamil, we don't understand. And third, towards the end of the day, in the mark sheets, how much they have understood is very important than how much we are taught in English. If I keep teaching in English, students, they don't understand. When they score less, I'm questioned why the students are not scoring higher marks. The question is, why are they not scoring higher marks? It's not like why are you not teaching in English. These are three common things that I come across. Now, okay, fine. Coming back to the same. Is it possible making our college 100% English speaking environment college? Is it possible?
Yes.
What are things that we have to do? What are things that we have to do?
Practice.
Practice. Yes, that's a method. Because we have implemented our courses in so many schools and colleges where English was not practiced until the day where we stepped inside. In the sense, I have an experience in one of the schools nearby this region in Theni district. When we stepped inside the school campus, teachers were not able to understand what we are telling. And later now, the same set of teachers, they are teaching in English. Last time we had a demonstration with this college in Aruppukkottai, Devangar College. The same was informed by the principal. Principal told me very clear, Hari, you are giving me, and my name is Hari, Hari, you are giving a bad idea that you are going to bring trainers of other state who don't understand or speak Tamil. You are not going to follow bilingual methodology. So this program is going to be a failure. I said, let's try, sir. And now today, after 1 year of program, the same set of students who don't know ABCD, they are able to speak English. Because speaking a language, reading a language, writing a language has a big differences. For example, you all probably everyone's mother tongue is Tamil, right? Yes? Solid? Okay. Is grammar is important to speak a language?
Not necessary.
Sure.
Sure.
Is reading practice is important to speak a language? No, okay, fine. Why no? I just want to hear from people. Why no? Why reading or writing is not important to speak a language?
Even illiterates they speak.
Exactly. Fact. Even illiterates, people who are, okay, you step out of the college, go a little interior. There are people who cannot write their own name in Tamil, but they can speak Tamil. So, spoken language is nowhere related to books, textbooks, notebooks, writing, reading, no way it is related to it. Language, it happens because of practice. Language, it happens because of practice. If you practice, then automatically it happens. Okay, okay, fine. How could I speak English fluently? There are three important rules. First, listen. Listen the language carefully. One of the most important things that we have to keep stressing to the people is, if your listening skills are good, automatically you start to speak English. If you want to be an average speaker, then you should be a good listener. No, sir, I want to be a good speaker. Then you should be a very good listener. No, I want to be a very good speaker. Then you should be an excellent listener. If you don't listen careful, then automatically you cannot speak fluently. A small demonstration, a testification right now. Asking questions are easy or answering questions are easy? Okay, fine. A language is nothing else than asking question and answering question. We use a language 80% to ask a question or to answer a question. In English, how many types of questions are there? One is WH question, second is SR. For a WH question, we cannot give SR no answer. For a SR no question, we cannot give WH answer. For example, what's your name? Yes. Where are you from? No. Is that possible? No. Same way, do you like to drink coffee? No sir, I drink only Boost. No, it's a wrong answer. When I ask, do you drink coffee? Your answer must be yes or no. No need to explain what you wish to drink. No, I don't drink anything. I drink only milk. No, I don't want explanation later. Now tell me, answering WH question is easy or answering yes or no question is easy? Fine. Then shall I ask you yes or no? See how genuine I am. I'm giving you the easiest thing. Okay, fine. I'm going to ask you some yes or no questions. Okay, you're going to say yes or no. That's it. I'm going to point someone, the concerned teacher should stand up, answer yes or no, and you can sit back. And please do remember your questions, please. Shall we? Ready? Once we complete it, you shall ask me WH questions. Right? That kind of tit for tat. Right? Here we go. We'll start with gents. Always ladies first, right? Okay, let me give inputs to gents. Okay. So is the last. That is a dangerous corner, isn't it? That corner, this corner, all the corners are always dangerous. Yes, sir, please. Yes. Don't you? Very good, round of applauses. Yes. Don't you eat Rat 65?
No.
Very good, round of applauses. Ma'am. Don't you eat snake? Very good, round of applause once again. Please, round of applause. Please appreciate it. The last one. Don't you drink petrol? Very good, round of applause once again. Thank you very much. I said right, listening. Right? Okay. Do you all have a pen? May I borrow a pen? Do you all have a pen? What do you have? A kerchief or pen or something? Okay, you have something in your hand. Everyone has a pen, right? Forgot it. My dad always say, when I was a student, whenever he asked me for a pen, we keep searching. Because I have an elder sister and an younger brother. And we always keep searching for pen. My father used to say, I have 3 kids who study in school, but still we search for pen at home. Days moved on. We all 3 become teachers, trainers or something like that. Dad says, I have 3 teachers at home, still finding a pen at home is a difficult task. So same way, I don't find pen. Now, everyone have a mobile phone, right? Please take your mobile phone. Now I'm going to ask you a question. Say yes and do the action. Right? Say yes. Remember, please do say yes and do the action. Don't change it. Do you eat mobile phone?
No.
What did I say? I said, tell yes and do the action, right? Do you eat mobile phone?
Yes.
Everyone please say yes.
Yes.
Yes. Take your mobile phone near your mouth. It means you eat. Right? Now say no and take the mobile away. Do you eat mobile phone?
No.
Take it away. Once again, say yes and do the action. Do you eat mobile phone?
Yes.
Do you eat mobile phone?
No.
Suppose if I change this question into don't, the complete meaning of the question changes. Don't you eat mobile phone? Say yes.
Yes.
Means you don't eat. Okay? If you say no, you eat. Okay, now I'm going to ask the question. Say yes first and do the action. Then say no and do the action. Don't you eat mobile phone? Yes. Don't you eat mobile phone? No. Do you eat mobile phone?
Yes.
Yes. Do you eat mobile phone? No. Now tell me the truth. Do you eat mobile phone?
No.
Truth. Do you eat mobile phone? Okay. Don't you eat mobile phone? Yes. Right? Do you eat chicken? Okay, there are vegetables. Okay, fine. That's my fault. Do you drink water? Do you drink water? Okay. Do you eat rice? Do you eat rotis? Do you eat idlis? Okay. These are things that we eat. Now, we are going to recollect the questions and check what our friends told us. Now, I asked questions to a few teachers, right? Can you please stand up? So that I could easily, one. Don't you eat cockroach biryani?
No.
Sir said no. It means?
Unless I forget. Even though you remember.
It means, yes sir, I like cockroach biryani, sir.
Forgot even though you remember.
No, I just, don't you eat cockroach biryani? Round of applause. What a college. Yeah, I remember, man, don't worry. I remember every question. Right? Thank you, sir. Sit down.
And how to make the answer?
From tree to tree to tree and reach the college. Is it so, man? Do you jump from tree to tree?
Yes.
Don't you jump from tree to tree?
Yes.
Very good, round of applause. Don't you sleep in the bathroom? Sir, it's hot summer and all, and that too in Tamil Nadu we have a lot of power failure. Power goes off. Compared to bedroom, bathroom is very chill, sir. Isn't so? Do you sleep in the bathroom?
No.
Don't you sleep in the bathroom?
Yes.
Round of applause. Don't you eat rat 65? Sir, white is my favorite rat, sir. Sutome. Do you eat rat 65? Don't you eat rat 65? Round of applause. Snake. Monday king cobra. Tuesday python. Wednesday rattlesnake. Sunday special meal anaconda. Is that so, ma'am? Do you eat snake? Don't you eat snake? Round of applause for you. Don't you drink petrol? So for Sachin and Virat Kohli, for me petrol is the secret of my energy. Today I understood why petrol prices keep going high. Do you drink petrol, sir? Don't you drink petrol? Very good. Round of applause. Very simple. This is a very common mistake because you didn't give importance to whether do or don't. Eating cockroach? No, sir. Sleeping bathroom? No, sir. Jumping from tree to tree? No, sir. So understood why I said listening is very important?
Yes.
So now, don't you eat paper?
Yes. Yes.
Do you eat paper?
No.
Don't you sleep in the classroom? Do you sleep in the classroom? No, sir. You never sleep in the classroom. Right? So very simple. Listening is the most important skill that you should concentrate little more. When it is again a new language, we have to give not 100% importance, 200% importance towards the listening. Clear? So listening is the first and the foremost thing that we should give importance to. Number 2, repeat what you listen. Right? When a person is speaking something, just have the habit of repeating what they say. Sir, sounds so childish, sir.
Yes.
And funny, right? How we learnt our mother tongue? How we learnt our mother tongue? Our mom. Exactly. When you learned your mother tongue, Tamil, you listened to your mother and you spoke. When I learned my mother tongue, I listened and I spoke. When people in Kerala, when they learn their mother tongue, they listen and they spoke. When it comes to English, go and learn alphabets, grammar, then only you can speak English. How is it possible? Right?
Yes.
Please push that methodology different and away. Please have the habit of repeating what you listen. In this itself, maximum you'll get all the sentence patterns, question patterns. Once you listen, keep practicing it. Very simple. Whenever I come across some new word, I make sure that on the particular day I use it for 10 to 20 times. So that gets stored in my vocabulary. Automatically, whenever I'm into a situation to use such a word, I use that automatically because I practiced it for 10 to 20 times. Right? So practice what you have. No need to go and learn it from textbooks or grammar books. What you have, that is more than enough to converse day to day. Right? Third thing, whenever you are running lack of something, sometimes I used to come across this kind of explanations from my students. They say, sir, the word is here, sir, it's not coming here, sir. The word is here, sir, it's not coming here, sir. Those words, please do make a note of it. Please do make a note of it. And when it is possible, try to talk to your friends whom you think that the person can help you, or else find it from Google. We have an open search engine, Google. Search it. If you find the word, utilize it. Again, practice it 10 to 20 times on that particular day so that you will never forget those words. These are 3 important things. And for this vocabulary, I can give you one more thing. You have the habits. You may have hobbies. Normally watching serials, you may have different areas. Some may like sports, some may like serials, some may like anything, hobbies, maybe of anything. Make sure that hereafter you are listening and watching everything in English. Right? Sir, I used to watch cooking videos, sir. I love cooking. Okay, do cooking. Start watching YouTube videos which are in English. Don't go with Tamil. Automatically you start listening a lot of English. When you hear so much of English, automatically you start speaking in English. I don't speak English. I don't know to speak English until the first year of my college. I'm an engineer actually. I'm a mechanical engineer. Until the first year end, I don't know to speak English. I was not practicing speaking English. Because of an insult in my first year, end of my first year, I was tempted to learn and speak English. Because it was a very simple thing. Thank you. Right? It was MC, Master of Ceremony. We may have, during this annual day celebration, we have college day celebration. And that Master of Ceremony, the principal announced that who are all interested to be a Master of Ceremony can register your name. Only 2 persons registered. One was myself, and second my senior Rishabh Devi. So we both were asked to come and meet the principal. Principal was seated this side. We both were seated in the front. Principal asked simple question. Hari, why I should select you and reject Rishabh? And Rishabh, why should I select you and reject Hari? I said, like, sir, I can talk timing. If programs are delayed, I can keep entertaining the crowd like that and all, I explained. Then when the chance was given to my senior, he said, I can do the comparing in English, Hari cannot do it in English. My principal asked, is it so, Hari? Yes, sir. Okay, fine, you can go back to your class. So that was the biggest insult in my first year of my engineering. Because engineering itself, you know, like when a boy steps inside an engineering college, what feel he steps inside. So it was the biggest insult. So I just wanted to take that back because I was said that I was a loser at that time. When someone says that I am not good at something, I won't stop until I prove myself master in that. So I practiced. The second year, when the same day came, my principal announced my name as a Master of Ceremony. It took 1 year for me. 1 year. Nobody helped me. I didn't have an English trainer. I didn't have YouTube by that time. We didn't have smartphones by that time because by that time our best phone that we could have is 1100. 1100 was the best mobile that we could have. Right? China mobiles were just stepping inside the market. Like how we see iPhones right today. China mobiles were just stepping inside the market. So YouTube access, nothing. I didn't have any support. What I do is I keep speaking. Right or wrong, keep speaking. People call me Butler, people call me Peter, so many other pet names I had. But today, that has become my profession. Right? So I was very much strong that I should do it. If I had confidence, I made it. If you have confidence, you can also make it. Only one thing, you should do it from your heart. Right? If you do it, after 1 year, everyone here can speak maybe better than me even. Clear? Yeah. So now tell me, is it possible to speak all time in English inside the campus for you? Is it possible for you? Do you think yes, it's possible for me?
Sure possible. Sure possible.
Yes. Then why don't you try it from today?
Sure we will. Sure. Let's start today.
Initially you cannot do it with students.
How are you going to?
Initially you cannot do it with students. At least among yourselves. Whenever you see, you talk to each other, try to drop.
It's not happening.
It's not happening. Let it happen.
Temptation is not happening.
Someone should like it.
The temptation is not happening in my mind.
You are speaking very good English. Why don't you follow it?
Yes,
Our English department. He is English department. He belongs in English department. English department professor.
A pathetic thing I'll tell you. Don't think it bad. When I met some students in Sivakasi, because we have a training center in Sivakasi, when I met some students, they said, we don't have any other option, sir. So we went to English, sir. I said, my goodness, English is something so unique, man. Problem is not you, sir. If you're not able to speak in English today, the problem is not yours. The problem is your teachers. Right? I have come across people saying like ENVIR. Environment. Okay, it's not your problem. It's your teacher's problem. Someone is pronouncing it correct. I don't know who is that. Exactly. Ma'am in the green. May I know your name, please?
Amala.
Round of applause for. It's not environment. It's EN. See, this is not the spelling. For the pronunciation trick, W-I-R-E, wire. N-Y-ment. Environment. Environment. This is not your problem. This is your mistake. It's a mistake of your teacher. Because your teacher did not input it properly. It's not the mistake of your teacher. It's the mistake of your teacher's teacher. It's not the mistake of hers even. It's a mistake of her teacher. Somewhere wrongly things are being inputted and people we still follow the same without knowing what's correct and what's wrong. What is taught to us, we believe that to be the correct thing, right? Still there are so many people who tell me like F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E is the spelling of favorite. F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E. This is the spelling of favorite. I always tell such people, go and change your desktop language from US English into UK English. Whoever tells me this, they are the people who work a lot in the system. This Windows system is manufactured, the software is manufactured in the US, they follow US accent. If you type C-O-L-O-U-R, it will automatically correct into C-O-L-O-R. Sometimes it will make you think, oh, is it wrong? What I think is wrong. No, you are correct. You have to change your desktop's default language from US English into UK English. Jewelry spelling, it shows it as a wrong spelling. Right? Now, as a spoken part, we are speaking bilingual of US and UK accent. It's not like we follow UK accent or US accent. We started following, bilingual of both US and UK. That is nowhere wrong. We use flats, we use apartments. It's not wrong. But in writing, you should make it correct. Right? So now, shall we have you don't have a pen, right? I cannot have a small demonstration of test table. Okay, fine. Anyway, before I wind up the classes, I just want everyone to stand up because I don't know anyone's name. Stand up, introduce your name, and tell something interesting about yourself. In one line. Shall we do it? Something interesting, unique, or different, how you are different from others. Can you, or your hobby, and please don't tell me simple hobbies, my hobby is playing cricket. Try to go a little deeper in that. Shall we start? One line, one or two sentences. We'll start with, sir. Introduce your name, sir. And tell, okay. No, we'll do everything. We'll keep it simple. Tell me what's your hobby. Okay, fine. Thank you. So please, small corrections. Whenever you introduce a name, please don't say my name is. It's a very old type. My names. My names. N-A-M-E apostrophe S. My names or else myself or I. Anything you can do. And my hobby is. If you have only one, then say hobby is. If you have two or more, my hobbies are. Okay? Fine. Second. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mugi. Okay.
My own interest is on readers, a lot of books,
Okay.
and I read a lot of comics in Tamil and English.
Oh, that's great.
Protect the environment.
Okay.
Protect the environment.
And
Environment.
okay, very good, nice. Thank you. Okay.
Gardening.
You love gardening. Say like I love gardening. I love gardening. Okay, very good. Next. Okay. My goodness. Okay. Shall we? Okay. Please don't mention your initial when you are introducing your name. Number one. And if you have a long name, try to cut short how short it is possible. Right? For example, I had a student. My name is Anusha Vidyalakshmi. She used to say Anusha Vidyalakshmi. How do your friends they call him? Anu. Then they introduce. My name's Anu. That's it.
I like to live closely with nature.
Closely with nature. Like how? Can you please explain how? Okay. And you do agriculture? No. You like? Okay, thank you.
Myself, Anandishwari.
Okay.
I like music.
Listen to music or you make music?
Listen.
Okay, okay. What type of music that you listen to? Now, what kind of songs? Like melodies? Melodies. Okay, fine. So now listen.
I love beat.
My name's Uma. My name's Uma.
I'm Uma Maheshwari.
A disobedient student in the class.
My parents give a name. I don't know.
No, I understand, I believe it. But imagine every time when I'm calling, okay, next you, Uma Maheshwari. Okay, yourself, Uma. Okay.
I love the melodies and listening to music.
Okay, what kind of books that you read?
Novels.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, once again. Just forget that you are professors right here. Rewind your garden. Okay, very good. Do you have a garden at home? What are the plants that you have? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, we never hear songs, we listen to the songs. There is a difference. Once again.
Just it become as it is.
Okay. Very simple. Only when your ears work on something, that from the minute I took the mic, when I started speaking, you all are listening to me, and in between there was some noise caused by the speaker that all reached your ears, but we didn't pay much attention towards it because we just hear the noise. We didn't listen to the noise. We always listen to the songs so that we are able to mum the lyrics back. We do the humming, right? We are able to sing back the song's lyrics because we listen to it, we never hear it. Bus horn, we hear the horn. Right? Okay. My name's okay. What is the best thing that you cook? No. Which is the best dish that you prepare? Okay, the best dish. Okay. Innovative dishes. For example, sambar. Okay, sambar special. Okay, thank you. Wow, that sounds great. Good, thank you. You watch TV. Okay. And again, what is the difference between seeing and watching? Only when your eyes work on something, seeing. When your brain works together, it's watching. Okay.
Listening music and watching movies.
Okay, thank you. Fan of? Okay, great. Okay, hereafter no one can say listening music and watching movie. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Okay. Playing games. What type of games that you play? Cricket. Physical director. I have a question, sir. I have a question. When a cricket match is going on inside the ground, how many players will be there inside the ground? No, very simple. How many players will be there in the ground? Only number I want. Before you show me your answering. Thank you. Good. This was the question asked to me when I was in the campus, right? Thanks, sir. Okay. Travel. Thank you. Same sort. I love traveling too. So mic, sir. Speak. Just a courtesy.
I am Nirban. I like to
play in cricket.
I love to play cricket. I love to play cricket. Because when I say playing means when it's happening right now. You play cricket, you are playing cricket, and you will be playing cricket. So play cricket. Next. Thank you. Actor.
I'm Prema.
Okay.
I like to cooking music.
Wow, great. Next. Faster.
I'm Raji.
Okay.
My hobbies are watching TV, listening music.
Thank you. Great. I said you cannot tell that.
Introduce my name, I just want to ask one question.
Yes.
So you said yes or no type questions, or you can say,
Yeah.
you asked us to,
Raise WH questions, right?
shall I?
Okay.
Shall I
Yeah.
ask one yes or
Yeah.
no? Because all questions we can't say yes or no. For example, I'm asking, don't mistake me.
Yeah. I know which question you are going to ask.
Do you stop to steal slippers nowadays?
Do you stop to
Do you
see?
stop to steal slippers nowadays?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So if you
So
say
you were
yes,
doing it.
already you have done it.
No, not only this. I came across some other question. Aren't you stupid or something like? No. Somehow I don't really remember.
Just for fun, I said.
No.
Okay, so this is
No problem.
some questions like this. We can't say yes or no. Grammatically, it is right.
Uh-huh.
Right? Grammatically, the question is
English
right.
department, ma'am.
Yeah, of course.
No, I'll give you some more set of questions like this. If you say yes also, you'll be full. If you say no also,
No,
you'll
also
be
will be full, right?
I
So
couldn't
that.
recollect it immediately. Nice. Thank you.
Okay.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Rajita. I love to be unique. The way of teaching, the way of dressing, the way of speaking,
Okay.
the way of questioning, way of scolding. Okay.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's gifted.
My
Okay.
hobbies, collection of more than plants and make garden
Okay.
and cooking and watching TV.
Okay. You cannot use and between everything. For example, what is my favorite food? Okay. My favorite food are chicken biryani, fried rice, vada pav, and fried chicken. So when I say so many things, what are your favorite color? My favorite colors are red, blue, green, orange, and black. Before the last one only I should use and. Everyone got it? Before the last one only we are supposed to use and. We cannot use and between. Thank you. Speaking muted there.
I'm Renu. I love music, listening music and singing.
Okay, thank you. Any interesting things that people should say? Like same common stuff means no need. Anybody who wants to voluntarily stand up and introduce hereafter, please do stand up. Not turn wise.
I'm Shiv Shankari. Travel long distance by hearing music, by
By?
car, by hearing music.
Bye.
By listening music.
Okay. My father, myself writes for Pandya, and you writes for Sundarajan fan. You name writes for Sundaram. So Sundar Pandya is my name. Lot of us for the best. What you told beyond that, you try to make it completely in English, right? For that, this appreciation. Right or wrong? You try to make sure that every single word you spoke was English, right? Are you able to tell? No, what I'm saying is, what you said is 100% correct English or wrong English, that doesn't matter. But you did 100% in English. That is very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I am Jagdishan.
Okay. Okay, I love to play cricket.
Play cricket.
Okay, are you a batsman or a
Batsman.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Myself Sarup Kumar.
Okay.
I love surfing and listen music, passion about cooking.
Thank you. Any volunteers here after? Any volunteer? Okay.
I love to ride bike
Okay.
and I am very jovial to others
Okay.
and make fun of it. This is my weakness.
Great.
With my family and my child. Children. That is why you are mentioning the pronunciation is must. The every word derived from the you are looking back. The every word has change, right? Each and every time the words are changing. You are pronounced environment. That is not a fixed word. Every time the words are changing. You are looking to back thousands or 2000 years back. The words also changing. So we cannot fix. This is the pronunciation. The law.
I understand.
Yes.
That's
why I am saying.
I'll just clear this doubt actually. Every
But
word
you are
has.
told like that, you speak this like this. That is not good for any language. May I correct?
No, actually wrong.
You are fixing us.
No, it's not like that. Actually, every word has its correct pronunciation where people misunderstand. For example, a recent word which I come across, schedule. Schedule or schedule? Schedule or schedule? The difference is very simple. Schedule is the common pronunciation that we do, but there are so many people who uses schedule. Means that they are working for some US-based call centers in Chennai.
Different pronunciation like US, UK, especially Indian pronunciation, because English is a derived language which borrowed the words from Latin, Greek, and from so many languages.
Exactly.
So we cannot say that this is the right pronunciation. We may derive it from US or UK. The person, those who are working with a particular institution, we borrow it.
Exactly. The thing is that when a person pronounces schedule, it means that the person is working for US-based call center. They pronounce it in that way.
I felt another one is, you are a tricky guy. Okay.
To stand here, obviously it is required, sir.
Okay.
That is the quality I should have. Thank you very much. Any volunteers? No.
Chatting with friends by using social media.
Okay, great. What are the pets that you have?
Yes.
What type of pets? Dogs or anything else?
Dog, cat.
Oh, okay. Obviously you are a pet lover.
Yes, sir.
People say like dog and cats cannot survive together. Is that true, ma'am?
It's playing my children.
No. My question is, people say that dogs and cats, they cannot be together. Is that true?
Yes.
Please, I just want them to talk. I know the fact again. No, I hear people saying that cat and dog cannot stay together because they fight always. Is that true?
No, sir.
No, they can survive together. They can survive.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. If you want to ask me any questions, get prepared. And once I say start, it should be rapid fire. Ready? 1 minute time. The time starts now. So you can take time. This 1 minute you can prepare the questions. Yes, I do. Do you like football? No, I don't. Were you talking with the principal last evening? Yes, we were, or no, we weren't. So these are short answers for that, but I just made it very simple, yes or no, right, for the time being. Ready? Shall we start with the WH questions? Here? Okay, this time I go with female teachers first. The first question from this side. I am from Maharashtra, I am from Mumbai. I am here in Tamil Nadu for the past 10 years. I am from Mumbai. I am from Navi Mumbai. Sorry?
You are living in hard city.
Navi Mumbai is not hard city. Mumbai, like if you say Fort, Bandra, Dadar, these are the heart of the city. I live little away from.
Which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken biryani. That after coming down to Tamil Nadu.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Prasad.
Why do you select this?
No, it's just for.
Why do you select the profession?
No, ma'am, I started my career as an engineer only. I hardly worked for 2 months as an engineer, then I decided this is not my piece of cake. I wanted something else. Because that was totally a different experience. Mechanical engineer. I passed out as a mechanical engineer. They took me to an organization. They showed this is the training department. It was so classy. Production department. That was comparatively less classy. Then they took us to a place, it was looking like this Kanchana, like a haunted house kind of thing. They said this is mechanical department where mechanical machine to maintenance people used to say. So I decided this is not going to be my piece of thing. So I decided as I had, crazy towards English, I started my career as an English language trainer. That's the story, the complete story in few lines.
What are the steps or strategies you are having once we decide our needs, your needs?
Needs means I don't understand what are the needs means.
Now you are came to know to improve our communication skill now.
Yes.
That based on that, I am raising a question.
As the person said tricky, I tell you what are tricks that I played.
No. Once.
No, starting, that's what. Once I came inside, I started with the yes or no questions. That's to make myself understand how good you are part of listening. I tested your listening skills there itself. Second, I asked you to speak simple things. Right? There I understood what is your level in speaking skills. Reading and writing I am not able to measure because you don't have paper, I told already. Because once I step inside, I don't go with what is my style. I just understand what is your need. Right? What is your requirement? I should find that first. Then only I could start teaching you. If I know your requirements and I go with the teaching, the program will be successful. If I go with the syllabus might have been completed, but the program will not be successful. My theme is that in a matter of 1 week or 10 days or 30 days, I should make everyone here to have the confidence to speak the language. Right? That's
What
the
are all the hurdles you face in enriching the communication skills as English as a second language?
Many, because there are some places where I come across, I don't want to speak English. Why should I speak English? How can I answer this question? Why should I learn English? So in that time, like you cannot go with the same deal. Okay, I should find, for example, you are the person who say like, I don't want to speak English. Why should I learn? Then I will be finding what is your field of interest. Then I will come to know your field of interest is about maybe sports or something. So I start talking to you about sports. So knowingly or unknowingly, you start talking to me back in English. My mission is fulfilled. I want you to speak English and you start speaking English. So this happens a lot. Every class will have 4 or 5 students who used to do such things, but the biggest success is not the rest of the students. That 5 students, if those 5 students start to speak English, that means that I am complete. Next. Any other questions?
You have known more languages. Which language do you want to speak?
How many languages do you speak, sir? I speak Marathi, Hindi, English, Gujarati, a little of Punjabi.
Which language do you want to speak?
No, to be frank, I respect my mother tongue. Marathi, I love Marathi. That no one can make me say like I never choose any language over Marathi because that's my mother tongue. That language made me speak. But English has made me what I am today. So, Marathi, next English, always.
For how many years do you reside in Tamil Nadu, sir?
10 years for the past 10
Have
years.
you learned Tamil, sir?
No, I never taken a step.
Why?
Because if I learn, they'll kick me out of Tamil Nadu. That is the quality policy of the company. Company, like if in Tamil Nadu, there are trainers who cannot understand or speak Tamil. For example, the moment I step inside, if I might have spoken little in Tamil, will there be anyone who might have taken 100% interest to speak only in English because there was no one who spoke here in the regional language which was very convenient for you, comfortable for you? No one spoke because I don't speak the regional language. If I speak the regional language, automatically we go with the regional language. That is applicable with the teachers, students and every individual person. Simple. When I came here initially I used to travel in buses. Right? My conductors, they speak English because of me. Because conductors, when they talk to me, I don't know the regional language, I speak in English. Somewhat they'll understand. So automatically what happens? All these conductors, they started speaking back to me in English. That's how my story started in Tamil Nadu.
You are multilingual, but we are bilinguals. Our students are also bilinguals. What strategy will you apply to make us to speak only in English? Because if you learn Tamil, then naturally you will make the audience to speak in the regional language. But our environment is something different. Our students, they know Tamil as well as English. What strategy will you use to make us to speak only in English?
Interest towards language. interest towards the language? Simple. One, I'll share you an example.
Because it is a classical and wonderful language. It is Tamil, I am saying.
No, he's
Tamil.
not degrading Tamil.
No,
He's not degrading
I
Tamil.
don't degrade any language.
Just try to ask a question,
Yeah,
small
yeah,
question.
yeah.
Why can you learn other languages, particularly Tamil? You try to learn. This is my small.
That's what, when I decide to move out of Tamil Nadu and live somewhere else, I can start learning. Because to be frank, this is not my profession, this is my passion. What I can do justice to my passion is very important. Whether my superior standing next to me, watching me or not. I speak Marathi, I speak Hindi. Even though when I step inside any colleges, if a principal or the correspondent or secretary try to talk to me in Hindi, I listen to them, but I reply only in English. They may be much comfortable if I speak in Hindi, but I never give up that. Because my profession, it's my passion. Why should I give up it?
The same strategy you can use it for Tamil also, sir. Learn Tamil, but never communicate in Tamil.
But I know, right? I
Because
myself
you
know.
reside here in Tamil Nadu for 10 years.
I made everyone around me because comparatively Tamil is the easiest language.
No.
My household told me. I asked how. She told me simple, Hari, because what happened initially when I was in Tamil Nadu, I used to find buses. When I step inside the bus stop, my first school which I worked for, 7th day Adventist Periyakulam, Kallipatti. I step inside Periyakulam bus stand, I ask whether this bus goes to Dindigul. Whomsoever I ask, they look at me like this. This is the response. I tried in multiple bus stops, bus stands. Everyone replied me the same. My house owner said, Hari, Tamil is damn easy. Okay? Very simple, don't use WH question. And add A at the last, that becomes Tamil. I was totally surprised. I wanted to testify it. I went to bus stop little later and I just, Madurai bus A. If they say yes means both of us are standing in the same place. Tiruchi bus A. Yes means stand both of us stand in the same place. I think, no, Tamil is a nice language. But I never
He
taken
has adapted your own trick, I think, sir. He has tried to create an interest to learn Tamil.
Of course. Once an interest is created, no one can choose. Very simple thing, I say. Once we trigger student or teacher or anybody, once we trigger somebody towards this English language, once they start, then if I decide to stop them also, I cannot stop. Because they are triggered. So we wanted to be that triggering. How extent it has happened means, my set of Tamil medium students, when I stepped inside the particular class, they were not able to understand what I was talking. I asked anyone please come forward and introduce yourself. No one stood up because no one understood what I said. From the same class, a girl, now she is working for a CBSE school in Kerala as a communicative English trainer. You understand? 4 years of transformation made a girl from Tamil medium to handle CBSE. She's handling teachers class also there. CBSE teachers class she is handling there. Tamil medium students from Tamil Nadu, that are from Virudhunagar, Kshatriya Girls School. It has made possible 4 years time. So it's not impossible. It's simple that you should take the step towards it. When you take the step, we are there to support. That's it. When you need the support, we are here to extend our support. That's it. Very simple. We have to practice. We need people to practice. Majority here, I say maybe 40 to 50% here can speak very good English. But still you don't speak because you don't have the companion. Once everyone has the same attitude towards the language, yes, I want to speak English, then everyone here can speak English. Only thing, that transformation, it's very important. Anything else? Anything else that you want to ask?
What is the opinion of English syllabus in our schools, Tamil Nadu schools?
I have never come across syllabus. Most importantly, syllabus nowhere relates me, sir. The equity education I have come to know something, but I don't go much deep with the syllabus. Simple, the practice of language never happens with the syllabus. It happens with the teachers. It happens with the teachers. Anyone here who is speaking very good English, maybe because of the impact of the teacher in the college or schools? How many agree with me? I speak English because of the impact of the teacher or the professor who I had in my school or college. So if because of one professor, the person has started speaking in English, if every single professor inside the college campus, if everyone is speaking in English, imagine the quality of the students who will come out of our college. Impossible. They'll win. Right? I agree. Everyone says students are the pillars of the school or any education institution. I agree. But teachers are the basement. Without strong foundation, whatever pillars are raised, like, that's useless. So until otherwise the teacher community is concentrated more, the quality of the product which comes out of the institution may not be good. So you are trying here. Thank you. Anything else? Thank you for this opportunity given. It's my pleasure being here. And thank you, principal, for this wonderful opportunity. Have a great day. Okay, he is Mr. Ushmani, business executive who is into marketing. He does the marketing thing, and I do this training thing. Thank you. From Dehradun.
Now the session is over. What do you feel about the training they gave you by way of adapting interaction? For spoken English, actually English is a language. It is used for communication. It is official language in India. When one is uneducated, we must know something about English. We must use English for our communication. That is expectation. That is our expectation. What is a problem in colleges, particularly the college like us? Confidence, lack of confidence. If we have confidence, we can speak well. When there is lack of confidence, the words will not come out. It is a problem. So, either you show your confidence by yourself, or we need a person to touch your confidence. Okay? That's all. That is a aim of arranging this type of programs. Okay? Okay, what do you feel about his teaching, his interaction? Okay, we will discuss that. In your presence, they hesitate to expose their views. Okay, I will collect their views. Then I call you tomorrow.
Sure.
We will discuss the remainings. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now you can go.
Sure. Thank you. Have a great day.
If you want any coffee,
No problem.
tea. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your
Have a great day.
Yesterday I sent the banner to all teachers through my WhatsApp number. Sadish asked permission to deliver welcome speech. Others kept silence. Okay, here you go. We need a person for welcome speech. He came forward, so I accepted. Now he will deliver the welcome address.
Life is a pilgrimage. The wise man does not rest by the roadside inns. He marches directed to the illimitable domain of eternal bliss, his ultimate destination. Good morning to all of you. In the words of Brian Tracy, welcome the challenges. Look for the opportunities in every situation to learn and grow in wisdom. Respected principal, vice principal, and faculty members, and dear fellow colleagues. A very warm welcome to all at our college special lecture. The words quoted in Bhagavad Gita, man is made by his belief. As he believes, so he is. Today I am very happy to tell you that our college has completed more than 30 programs by the direction of our principal. Anyone, anywhere can make a positive difference. All the people of our college have an equal effort behind the success of our college. Because only by working together our college gets NAAC accreditation. You must understand the whole of life, not just one little part of it. That's why you must read, that's why you must look at the skies, that's why you must sing and dance and write poems and suffers and understands for all that is life. Before starting the program, I would like to honor our principal, then he can start the function with his thoughts and blessings. Everything on the earth has a purpose. Every disease and herb to cure it, and every person a mission. Thank you.
Listen, today our topic is, what should a speech look like? Okay, how a speech will be. First, we have to learn something from the known sources. Okay. Actually, we are educated person. How we obtain our education from the school level and the college level and the university level. We came across many classes. At every time, at every class, at every day, the teacher taught something, we received those things. But the problem is how we kept them in our mind. For examination purpose, we studied. One who got a good teacher, automatically the lessons he taught will be received. Okay. Then, studying is also a character. Instinct characters by birth or by atmosphere or by environment. We have to incur in such a practice. Okay. Actually, my father was uneducated. His educational qualification was class 1. My mother was also uneducated. The educational qualification for my mother is class 3. So totally our family is uneducated. As usual, as the parents thinks, they wanted to give me a quality education. Who can give a quality education to our children? One, the choice of the school. Then two, the teachers appointed in the school can give quality education. We can select school or college, but we cannot identify which teacher is going to which class, how the teaching is, how the teaching provided by a particular teacher. So it is uncertain. But with your hope, we are selecting a college or school and we are sending our children to that place. But we have to watch. We have to watch our children. Students are saying anything unknowingly, we can identify how the children has received information from the classroom. We can identify. Suppose they are very active in studies, we can nurture the children by giving the necessary things. Recently, many playthings are available to create innovative ideas in the minds of the children. We can purchase playthings and we can make use of these playthings. The students can develop their skills in every respect. Such provisions are available for the time being. But in those days, the teaching was good, the teachers were good, but no playthings, no things were available to create our creativity. Okay, but the parents are our inspirers. In my family, my parents advised me in a right sense. They selected best schools and I understood the dreams of my parents. I wanted to fulfill the dreams of my parents. How? We must be thankful to our parents by fulfilling the dreams of our parents. That was done by me during my school days and college days. I understood why they are advising me to study. They always are thinking about my future. So I understood. I paid much concentration on my studies. Now we got job in appropriate time. That is very important. We are getting post at the age of 45. What is the use in it? I got appointment at the age of 25. Okay. So at right time I got appointment. The reason behind that was role of my parents. Okay. You lead your life for your parents. You lead your life for your family. You lead your life for your children. So education is inevitable in human beings' life. Okay. So suppose you have not get any employment or appointment, you need not worry about that. But you study well. What you studied should be taught to your children. At least you make them to be a talented person. That is very important. So here we have been arranging programs. Why? On one hand we say it is a motivation to teachers. On other hand I say I want to create confidence within you. Okay? Okay. Just 1 hour, just 2 hours will not be enough to enrich your knowledge. Apart from these lecture hours, you have to pay attention on watching videos. Watching videos. Nowadays, many videos are available in YouTube. Video is related to wonderful speeches given by great leaders. The morning, first video was played. In the first video, our Prime Minister delivered a talk. Recently, he went to Australia, so he delivered a talk. That video was released. So that video was played in our hall. Then, Narendra Modi is a Prime Minister. He is a very good speaker in Tamil and English and Hindi. Yes. Yes. When time comes, automatically you will know about that. Because their duty is that they are studying every day. How we are studying here, every politician is studying every language in order to impress the state people. Suppose election is coming here, they have to impress Tamil Nadu people at the time of election. Definitely Modi will come, talk in Tamil, people will applaud, automatically he will get more votes. How we are going to class with the preparation, like that, they are facing election with the preparation. The only aim is impressing the people. So, they are learning. Jayalalitha knew 9 languages. The former Prime Minister Narasimha Rao knew 9 languages. So, almost all actors, Kamala Hassan, Rajinikanth, everybody knows more than 6 or 8 languages because that is their profession. But we are struggling hard to learn one language, that is called English. We failed to understand English is a necessary language for us to our employment. We have to impress the students. When, in what way? During the class hours, we have to impress the students. If I have good knowledge at mathematics, I can impress only mathematics teacher and mathematics students. If I have good knowledge at English in addition to mathematics, I can impress almost many people. Okay, so when I was a teacher, I decided to become a principal of any college. What is needed for a principal? If I teach maths, how I can impress other people? How can I impress other teachers? So there is a necessity for a principal. Apart from our own subject, you should have English knowledge. That is necessary for every administrator. We can get the post at any cost. You know very well. There are many examples in our college. You are not capable of your subject, but you got appointment. But facing the students, signing in your life is a problem. That is a problem. So, in our college, the NAAC accreditation is our intention. Suppose that is not our intention, we will not worry about this room and seminar and other things. Okay, as usual, we can lead our life. But we have an ambition, we have an objective. We are starting our mission towards getting NAAC accreditation. Okay, there is a role for management, there is a role for principal, there is a role for every HOD, there is a role for every student, there is a role for every student. We must do our part well. After that, we have to expect the active role of others. Okay, that is doing now. We can collect informations by a week, by a 15 days, about the students, about the profile of the student, about the profile of the teachers. That is possible by 10 days or 15 days. But speaking in English is needed 6 months time, minimum. That is my point of view. Okay, so please avoid your shyness. Please create confidence. Please pay attention on the speeches of other great leaders. So speech of other great leaders will impress you. Okay. So I am a person, a single person. I am talking about a particular topic again and again. It will not bring a fruitful result. That's why I am inviting many resource persons from other sides, other places. They are delivering. One day they talk in English, one day they talk in Tamil. Okay, anyhow, you must come regularly to this room. You must sit the whole 2 hours. Okay, you have to sit the whole 2 hours. These are all steps. We are successfully crossing all the stages. Okay, now I collected videos. Each video is related to the speech of one leader. The speech will be very nice and inspiring. You watch. After this seminar, you start a habit. You go to YouTube during a lesser hours, during the holidays. Okay, you watch the speech of the great leaders. That will give a confidence in you. That is essential for all of us in coming days. Okay, thank you.